Hello everybody, my name is Cindy from Prevent-A-Wear and I wanted to highlight these awesome new incontinence sheets that we have on our website. This is my daughter Kyla's bed and she has incontinence, so she does wet the bed occasionally. It just, not sure what happens, but her diaper does not hold her urine at night when she goes to the bathroom at night. Last night was an example. She woke up and had wet jammies, so I'm going to be washing her jammies, but I used to have to wash all of her sheets, like at least 4 times a week. So I would have a bottom sheet on, I would have a puddle pad absorbing underneath that, and then I would also have another sheet protector underneath that, which never really fully protected her mattress. We have these awesome new mattress protectors, and this is the only thing I have on her bottom sheet now, and it is completely breathable. It's very cool to sleep on and completely waterproof. It will not go through into her mattress at all. These are amazing, and the thing that I love about them is the material is so innovative that I'm able to just spray and wash. It's an antimicrobial material, so it helps to kind of reduce the germs and the smell. But also, I use this Clorox Anywhere cleaner here, spray on and wipe off her sheet, and I'm done. I don't have to do laundry at all today. It is fully machine washable, so what I've been doing is every couple of weeks as needed, I'll just throw it in the washing machine, throw it in the dryer, and then put it back on the bed. This is saving me so much time. So I'm just going to demonstrate right now how I do this. It's pretty simple. So wherever the wet spot was, I just spray with this cleaner, and then I let it, just kind of sit for just a minute or less, not even. And then I just simply take paper towels and I wipe away. You can see that the material is shiny when it gets wet, which it dries. It's very luxurious material. It feels very soft to the touch, and like I said, when you get into the bed, it actually feels super cool, and then it warms up, so it sleeps very cool, and it's not all crinkly and noisy like other plastic mattress protectors. So she just sleeps directly on this. If there's any accidents, I just spray and wipe, and then it just air dries and kills all those germs, eliminates all the odors, and we're good to go. Then I just throw her blankets back over the top, and we're ready to go for the night. You want to use this Clorox Anywhere, and the reason why I love it is it's gentle enough to use around kids and pets and food, no harsh fumes, leaves no harmful residue, no rinsing necessary, color safe. It's just amazing, and it does the work. It cleans the sheets, kills the germs. It is for hard service, but it does work very well on these sheets, and it's safe to use. So she can just lay on that when it dries, and it's like I just did laundry, but it took me 30 seconds versus all the work of the laundry. These are, I've had feedback that they're expensive, but the material is very expensive. And I think that what it does is the time that it saves is completely worth it. You just need one sheet. They last forever. And it also saves tons of money on laundry soap and detergent and bleach, and also the electricity to wash and dry the sheets all the time. But the biggest thing for me is this has completely, like some of my clothing line, this has changed my life. And I'm so excited about these sheets because I don't have to do laundry anymore, and that was always kind of one of the things in the morning when I woke her up and saw that she wet the sheets. I'm like, oh gosh, I gotta do sheets now. More to add to my busy day. So I know that we all as caregivers have so much going on and so much to do during the day. This just eliminates huge loads off of my workload. So I wanted to share these with you. Follow the link, check them out if you can. If you have any questions at all, let me know. They're worth it. They come in full and twin size beds. We can custom make them as well if you have a bigger bed than that. And they come in the black and the navy blue. I got the black for Kyla because it just looks kind of really sharp and cool on her bed. I love the black. Navy blue is also really good option. So anyways, thank you so much for checking out the website, and hoping that if you order these sheets, they're going to change your life just like they changed mine. Thanks. Bye.